What is up, guys? So today I am making an unboxing video, which is the first video we've actually made of unboxing. We have an egg surprise, a Paw Patrol one. So that is Chase, that is Sky, I think, and that is Spin Master logo. So I'm going to open it now. Ooh, that was the most satisfying. Ooh, what did we get? Ooh, a Marshall magnet. Cool. And some stickers. Oh, stickers. And some jelly beans. I love jelly beans. Let's pop some of those stickers on the magnet. Put Marshall on. There we go. Marshall's on. Now let's put Sky somewhere around Marshall. That's great. Now we put Rubble. Rubble on the double. Near over here. And I've got a magnet. My sister, she got a keychain. However, I got a magnet. Now,
Hi.
I got jelly beans.
Hey, I got pink jelly beans in my egg.
I love jelly beans.
And I got a keychain.
I got a magnet.
Oh.
Go put this on the fridge for me.
Fridge?
Yeah.
You already decorated it. Look at my keychain. Ah, sorry
Ooh,
guys.
nice.
They're good, aren't they? And I decorated it with some
Hey, I should decorate my egg
Sushi.
instead.
Sushi. No, Suji. Susie sheep. I want to decorate my egg instead of this. I want to take that off. Ugh. There's no Papa stickers. I just broke that one. I don't know how I broke it. Rubble on the double.
Rubble on the double.
I actually wanted that one. There's so many. Why did you put so many? I only put it 1, 2.
Egg.
Ooh, well, that's cool. Are you gonna put it back on? Okay.
It's not cool.
Yeah, it doesn't look that cool, doesn't it? It doesn't even look that cool anymore. Rubble on the double.
Bye.
Bye.